Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris, and
And
we're
we're
with
with
Monsters and More. So today we're back and we're going to do a tutorial on the brand new
Black Friday.
Black Friday LED 6-foot LED candy soldier Nutcracker.
Yes.
Last year they did the Black Friday. They did the
Where'd you put him?
Nutcracker
him.
last year. This year they done the toy soldier.
Look.
So
this is what they did last year.
Yeah, so what we wanted to do is we wanted to put this together, do a tutorial, put it together, tell you what we think about it, and then we're going to show them side by side.
Yep.
So you can see the difference, and I think Jen's going to put them in front of the door, and we'll kind of show you what that looks like in front of the door.
Just in case you guys are wondering, like, should I get him to match my other one if you only bought one? We did last year. We only bought one. But we bought him, so we're thinking maybe they'll be okay. So we'll see how he looks.
Yeah, and we just happened to be at the what was it? We went to Louisville and Lexington, and they did not have these down. They had the well, they did have a few of these down at the was it the one in Lexington?
Yes.
And we tried to get the candy canes in the background. They didn't have it. They said it was going to be Black Friday before they got it down.
Look at him.
Well, we called the one in E-Town,
Elizabethtown.
Yeah, called. We got online and it did not let it. It didn't show up. It didn't populate. So we called and it asked. It would look up an item, and we put in the number to the candy canes, and it popped up, said there was 11 of them there. Well, when we got there, they didn't have none down, but we got with the people and told them, said, well, we called, and it said that there was 11 here to buy. So they actually got them down, and we're going to do a video, and we got the candy cane, too, show you how to put that together.
That'll be our next video, too, so check us out on there. So we'll put that together, too, and show you how easy or...
Yeah, so that's the two Black Friday things. We got lucky, got picked them up. We got one of these and two of the candy canes. So with that being said, let's start putting it together, and we'll show you. These are real simple. If it's like the one from last year, very simple. Took longer to dig them out of the plastic.
He only has one sheet of work instructions.
And Jen likes them.
Yes, the simple ones.
Right, yeah, I was going to say, go ahead and get the base out. And we didn't know it, and we bought that. We really thought that one was, because I guess we didn't pay attention and read it good, but we thought that one was like an outdoor porch or indoor only. But after we got looking at it, when we got it out, they do have the hose here where you can stake them down, and they come with stakes, so you can actually put these in the yard just like you can the 8-foot ones.
So this is A. That'll be your first.
Here, slide this over a little bit. So you put the base down, and then you're going to take the legs, and really all they do is just go in it and slide and lock.
His little candy cane vest. All right, you will need an Allen wrench for these.
Guess what? I already got one. There, wrong way. The screw goes on the back side. It goes on this. There's a little notch that it slides in.
Gotcha.
And the only reason I knew that's because I just put the other one together.
Gotcha.
But it's identical. Other than this is the toy soldier and the other one was a Nutcracker. Yep, there you go. No, they screwed that screw in too far. And you may have the screws in too far, the little flat knot, so you have to make sure that it's not sticking out, which keeps it from sliding on, and then it just went right on.
I like his little candy canes on this one. He didn't have them, but that's super cute.
And then just snug them up. Don't do them too tight because it will bust the plastic.
His head does have 2 wires.
And then tuck your wires down inside of it. and it just pops in place. And we didn't see, they didn't have any of these set up anywhere because actually they didn't even have them out. So, but they didn't have one set up nowhere.
No, we never got to see one actually set up. What did he look like? So let's plug him in and see what he does.
But he does look a little different than the 8-foot one. Okay, guys, so we've got it. There you can see him side by side. And I really like him. I think I like him better than I do him.
I do like him better. I like the peppermints, though. I think that's cute. And their little eyes go back and forth.
So, just to give you a little bit of a close-up of just him.
I mean, I think they're going to be perfect. We're going to put them on each side of our door, either on the porch or coming into the garage. I'm not for sure which, but turn his volume down real quick. They both play the same.
Yeah.
So it's the same music. So their eyes are kind of doing the same. I think it's just the design of them from last year to this year, but I'm partial to this one. I think that one's super cool.
Well, I think I give it a 10.
I do.
Because I like it for the price for $99.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's awesome because the big 8-foot ones, which is 2 foot taller, is $300.
Yes.
So
yeah,
for that price, you can't beat that. Because I can remember it was last year, year before, that we couldn't find no Nutcrackers. Like we barely found that one at Big Lots, and everything else was like $400, $500, $600 at least minimum for that. Yeah. And
so you get a throwback if you've already got this little fella well, I can't say little, but if you've already got this guy from last year, this is what you're getting this year. Like I said, in Kentucky, we haven't seen, we've drove over 2 hours to look for these. So we haven't actually seen one set up in a store, but here's your setup. Here's what it looks like. It's got the peppermints on it. And
even if you didn't get the one from last year, 2 of these would look awesome on each side of the door, even if they did match. So,
absolutely.
You know, that's great.
They look great. I love them. I'm satisfied with him.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content. And you better get to the stores, and if they don't have them out,
you better be
4 or 5 o'clock the day after Thanksgiving, and try to get them. And we just lucked out that we got these.
Yes.
So.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to hit our goal on here, so make sure you share with your friends.
And you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yes.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.